what up guys, Peps Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing, and today we're gonna unbox the Vapormax Chukka Slip Pure Platinum. That is such a long name. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. Once again, these are the Vapormax Chukka Slips, which I think they're not flying it. The upper is not flying it like the other version of the Vapormax. Pretty sure it's a knit upper. But we're gonna have to see. Okay, this, I don't see this. I need some scissors. They're too far away. They're like 3 feet away. I like when these stores don't just send you they don't send you just a plain cardboard box. They actually send you, boom, a little bit of branding on it. And I was actually about to say that I got these I got these chukkas from N Clothing, which is I'm not sure, I just know they're based on the UK, which is where I got the package from. These originally retail for $225, but then one of the pages that I follow on Twitter tweeted out that these people over at N, okay, I really like this actually. I really like this packaging that N Clothing does, or I think it's just N, I'm not sure. I'm calling them N Clothing, sorry if I'm wrong. Actually, there you go, it is N Clothing. Like I was trying to tell you and then I got distracted. I got these shoes for $95. $95. All I had to pay for was pretty much the shipping, which was $11. Probably kind of expensive for the shipping, but I mean, it's shipping from overseas. How do you open this box? Do you open it here? Okay, there you go. So if you've never opened a box from Man Clothing, this is how you open it. You pull the front. I'm afraid that I'm gonna drop the shoes or something. Oh, okay, this is probably the fanciest Okay, this is the fanciest unboxing I've done in the channel. Okay, I'm liking the Nike box so far. All black Nike box. That's you can't even see it. These were actually meant to be my second ever unboxing, because when I first did the Jordan 1 Gatorade unboxing, I saw these on the Nike sneakers app and I was so blown away by them. I thought it was a different shoe, a different style. So I figured I would do those, but then I got distracted about the Vapormax OG, and then everything since I haven't really bought them, mainly because of the price tag. But that's why when I saw these at that specific price, I just couldn't wait. But let's take a look and see what N Clothing sent on this envelope. It just has N right there in their traditional font, and then their website. It's really glued together. I don't want to ruin the envelope. Oh my god, alright, whatever. The envelope is kind of ruined. There's a little letter. Okay, this is starting to hurt because I'm like doing like wall stands over here, trying not to damage the box, because that's a really nice packaging box. Oh, look at that. Whoa, I need to buy more stuff from the UK, fam. They're fancy as f with their stuff. But now, okay, the box is already different. I can feel it over here. I can feel a little circle, a little plastic circle. There you go, the box, all black Nike box. Nike, it's kind of like the retro Nike box over there with the reflective material over here at the top, and then that same reflective material over here on the front, and it's the same thing at on the back, and then the bottom, just like a regular Nike box. Okay, and then over here on the side, you have the US size, which is 11, and then they have their own N Clothing doing their own, you know, pricing stuff. But yeah, you have this little circle over here, which means the box actually opens differently, and I'm kind of excited about that because it's the first box that we don't open or that we open in a different manner than all the other ones we had in the channel. But yeah, Chukka Slips, Pure Platinum. Let's see if they appear as we open the magic box. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh. You smell that? It smells like glory. Okay, I think that's all the way the box goes. Okay. I ain't gonna question nothing. For $95, a $225 shoe, the Vapormax Chukka Slip is such a long name. Let's go ahead and take a look at Yo, that's sujo. I'm a little bit hesitant about the Vapormax Bowl as of right now. Yo. Oh my goodness, bro. These are some other quality. The quality of the upper is already like, holy crap. I really like this reflective. This has to be a reflective swoosh. Yeah, this is a reflective swoosh. There you go. Oh my god, I cannot believe I have this shoe though. Like, this is a $225 shoe. So the bubble is really no different from the other Vapormax I've shown you guys on the channel. The rubber ending over here is just transparent, same with the ones closer to the toes. But overall, the bubble, I like the way the bubble looks, the transparent look of it. It's just, I don't like the way it combines here with the midsole. That's the only part I'm not digging. The over here, actually, the midsole, as I'm touching it, the midsole actually feels a little bit like foam, but it's not necessarily foam. And what I was thinking about this shoe as well is that these are technically boots. Boot silhouette, which Nike does mention on their official description or the item details on their website. I really like this thing. It's like I forgot the material. Nike says the material on the website, but I really like how this fits, just like a strap type. It's not, yeah, I would say like a strap that just holds your foot together in the shoe. I don't know about these two lines over here. I feel like they could have just left this whole side like plain. That would have looked better for me, in my opinion. And then the upper, like I mentioned earlier, it is actually a knit upper over here in the toe box and actually throughout the entire shoe. Okay, this is one of those weird shoes that, like, look at over here in the collar, how you have like different type of layers. You have a bunch of layers over here by the collar. So in order to get your foot in there, you would have to pull this one first like this, and then pull the other one, and then there you go. There's your insole, which, if I can get it, there you go. It's just a Nike and a swoosh, which is actually backwards for you guys. And then over here, like I mentioned earlier, the reflective Nike swoosh on the outside of the shoe, which I think combined with the one over here in the left shoe at the bottom of the bubble and the ones on the inside of the shoe, that's really it. I take all that back because there's actually a reflective Nike swoosh over here in the tongue as well, on the outside part of the tongue, which actually has like the same material for the mudguard. On the toes, actually, there is a mudguard, which is what makes me believe this is more a boot. This is more of a boot than an actual sneaker, because Nike actually took the time to add a mudguard for, they called it extra protection or something like that on the website. So that's something that I really like about it though. But then going from the toes all the way back to the heel, there's really nothing Nike branding on the heel like on a lot of shoes. This one actually just has another reflective strap or just a reflective band that runs from the midsole all the way towards the heel loop, and the heel loop actually becomes part of that reflective strip, I would say. Yeah, let's call it a reflective strip. I think it's a really nice boot sneaker combination. I just don't know if they're actually worth $225. But as I'm holding it right here, I noticed that the lines over here that I mentioned earlier that I really didn't like, they actually have a bit of a platinum or silver lining on them. I really hope I can show you better on the close-ups, and that's kind of cool actually, because it's kind of reflective as well. But now let's go ahead and take the real test. The real test that matters. The test that determines whether a shoe is good or not. The smell test. These have that brand new sneaker smell. So I think that's it for today's, actually, I take that back. Let's go and see how these look on feet. Alright, so starting off with the jogger sweatpant look, I really like this one, especially with the dark joggers or the dark color on the pants, but it's still not my favorite. Pretty clean, but not my favorite. And then we move on to the khaki look, which I've never really done on feet look with khakis, but these, just because of the boot silhouette, I thought it would look nice, and I think it does. But once again, not my favorite. But this one, the jean look, is definitely my top one, my favorite. It just looks so casual. It looks even comfortable, and it is really comfortable to wear them with the jeans. But anyways, guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also go ahead and subscribe to see. I still owe you one last version of the, actually, there's two more versions of the Vapormax that I haven't shown you guys in the channel. So go ahead and subscribe to make sure you're here for when I do those videos. And once again, that's it for today. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Paps Money Bags out.